What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. Yes, my first official YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make coconut curry chickpea. Okay, super easy and delicious, and you only need a few ingredients. All right, so guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and save this recipe, and get cooking. So I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box below and step-by-step instructions on how to make this coconut curry chickpea. Okay, so let's get into this video. Okay, so let's get cooking. So this is like a little shot of all the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'll have everything listed in the description box down below. So right now I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a heated pan. I'm just pretending to put the olive oil because I already put it and I forgot to video that. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just stir it around so it could coat the pan. Make sure your heat is medium to low heat you want. So right now I'm just adding my onions and my garlic. So I have 1 onion diced and about 8 cloves of garlic. So I love garlic. If you love garlic, about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. You know what I'm saying? You can never have enough garlic. So yeah, so right now I'm just adding all of that garlic and onion, that good spice. And just want to get everything in there. So now it's just going to give it a stir. Stir it around, get everything coated in the pan. And, you don't want it to stick. So just give it a stir. And get yourself a wooden spoon. It's much better than the regular spoons for stirring, because you don't want to scratch your pan, so the wooden spoon is much better. So yeah, just keep cooking your onions and stuff. So right now I'm about to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You could get that at any grocery store, wherever in the aisle like they got the tomato sauce. You usually could find it right there. So that's just going to add a little sweetness to it. So 2 tablespoons of that, and just give it another stir, stir. It's going to be a lot of stirring in this thing because, it's a lot of stuff. And you want to get everything infused with each other. So at this point, I'm adding some turmeric. I didn't measure it, but maybe about 2 teaspoons of turmeric, just for color. So yeah, just give that a stir. Keep stirring. I'm going to be saying stir a lot in this video. Okay, so right now I'm about to add some pepper paste because I like my food spicy, island girl. So I add, 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. If you don't like spicy food, you don't have to put that in there. That's just optional. If you like it mild, maybe 1 to 2 drops. So just stir it up. Like I did, I don't know, I think I turned my stove down because ain't nothing going on in my pot right now, but I'll realize it in a minute and turn it back up. So that's why you're not seeing anything going on. Anyway, so now I'm about to add 2 cups of the tomato sauce or marinara sauce or any one of those tomato pasta sauce you could add. So that's 2 cups of that, just to help get the sauce going and the flavors and stuff like that. That's a roasted garlic flavor. So just give it a stir again. Like I said, we're going to be stirring a lot. Stir. Yeah, so right now ain't nothing going on in my pot, like I said, because I think my stove is down. So anyways, right now I'm about to add a bouillon cube, a vegetable bouillon cube. Because, this food's supposed to be vegan. You know what I'm saying? So I use veggie bouillon cube to give the pot some flavor. Because you want to cut back down on the salt and all of that. There go my bubbles. You know what I'm saying? So my stove is back up. My bubbles is coming in. Look like something's going on. You know what I'm saying? Like it's cooking. So yeah. So I add the bouillon cube. Everything is coming together right now. I just add 2 teaspoons of curry. I forgot to add the curry with the turmeric, so that's why I'm adding it there. So that's 2 teaspoons of curry, and just gonna stir it up again, you know. Give it a mix. Get everything infused, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know the vibes. You don't want nothing sticking to your pot, so just keep stirring. Now, right now we're adding coconut milk, 1 can of organic coconut milk. As you can see, my coconut milk ain't coming out of the can because I didn't shake it. So make sure you shake your coconut milk, okay? So 1 can of coconut milk. Oh, look at that. So creamy. And this is regular coconut milk. I'm not with the low fat stuff, but if you're watching your weight and you're counting calories, get the low fat. So yeah, stir it up, baby. Stir it up. Look at that. Everything is coming together so nice. It smells so good right now. Oh my God. So yeah, just keep stirring. Mix it all up. Get everything all blended, all infused in there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so as you can see, it's a lot of chunks. That's from the pasta sauce. I didn't like that. I don't like that pasta sauce, actually. I got it because it was cheap. But I usually get, what's that lady name? I don't remember. But, you know, her, like a bottle of her pasta sauce is like almost $7. But I usually get it when it's on sale. But this was like $1 something. So you could imagine the difference. I'm not buying this one again. I didn't like it. So right now I'm adding 2 pinches of salt. So you just pour some salt in the palm of your hand and pinch with your thumb and index finger. That's a pinch. So 2 pinches of salt, some black pepper for flavor. You know what I'm saying? A little salt. And I use the sea salt. Sea salt, and just mix it up. Like I said, you know. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. Look at that. It looks so creamy, so delicious. You know what I'm saying? You cook this, you know, you're going to be a chef. Just healthy, just delicious, no nonsense, and not a bunch of stuff. You know what I'm saying? No added this, no added that. Just simple, tasty ingredients. And, you know, that's the path you want to be on when it comes to food. So I just covered it with the lid to get it going, you know, get it bubbling a little bit faster. So that's what I did there. Look at that. Beautiful. So now I'm about to add the chickpea. I add about a cup and a half of chickpea. I cook my own chickpea. You could get the canned chickpea. And that's about a cup. 1 can is about a cup. Yeah, so just mix it around. Like I said, keep mixing. I cook my own chickpea because the canned chickpea tend to get a little bit mushy, you know, when you cook it too much. So I cooked my own chickpea because I like a little texture to it when I eat. So now I'm about to add the chopped zucchini and carrots. So you see I add the chickpea and the vegetables last because I don't like mushy vegetables at all. So I still want them to have a little bit of crunch while I cook them. And, you know, once you're done cooking, you know, the food's still hot. So they're still cooking after that. So that extra cooking time will get them to the right, like, tenderization that you need. Tenderization, I guess. So, yeah. Just mix it up. Get it all around. Get everything all evened out, evenly spread out. Let everyone meet each other. You know what I'm saying? And just create flawless taste. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so I just tasted to see if it needed any salt, not salt, but any other flavor. And so I'm just letting it cook, you know. Yeah, so I'm just stirring it up again. Just keep stirring because you don't want anything to be sticking to the bottom of the pan. So there I go, stirring again, giving it a chance to cook some more. And I want the chickpea to cook a little bit more from when I cooked them earlier. So that's why I cooked them a little bit earlier. Now I'm cooking them a little bit more in this sauce. So I covered the lid so it could get bubbling much faster. And then I just keep stirring. So, you know, you're just going to check every minute to 2. Just keep stirring every minute or 2. Cover it again. And just keep checking it again. Just to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom of the pot. You don't want that. So look at that. Beautiful. Everything's coming together real nice. So I think it's good now. And as you can see, I covered it one last time, and then I removed it again. I'm just stirring it again. A lot of stirring. Look at me banging the spoon on the pot. Yo, my pots and pans been through some things, okay? They got stories to tell. Yeah, so just keep mixing it up. At this point, I think it's done. Now I'm adding the green onions, the jalapenos that I had chopped up before, just to garnish. You know, makes it look pretty. You got the yellow, you got the green, you got the orange. You know, you want your pot to look beautiful, look edible. You know what I'm saying? You don't want no pia. Listen, don't let my Jamaican come out. But anyways, just garnish your pot. Make it look beautiful and all of that good stuff. Because look at that. Oh, you should just pour some over a bed of wild rice that I had cooked previously. I'm going to show you guys how to cook that on another thing. Now I'm about to test it. Let's see if it's good, which I know it's good. Thumbs up.